Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to add a new workout on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, as a first step, click on this digital crown to open the app list and choose the application which looks like a running person. And my congratulations, you have unlocked new application named Workout. Right here on the main list you can see a lot of types of sport that you can start working out by just simply clicking on it. But if you scrolled it all and you haven't found your type of sport, don't worry. Scroll to the end of the page until you will see this button Add Workout. On this list you'd be able to see even more types of sport and probably find yours. But if you haven't found the type of sport that you want to train, don't be worried. So, for example, I was trying to find the rhythmic gymnastics, but it's just not on the list. So, in this situation, click on this button Other, and here is it. To manage this type of workout, which doesn't focus on any goal, click on these three dots and click Create Workout. Right here, you can choose which is the goal of this workout: burn kilocalories, time, or anything other. For example, I want to burn 200 calories per workout, so I will set a goal of 200 calories and click Done. After this, you can also add preferences to your custom workout by clicking on this button. You can set up the alerts if your heart rate is too low, normal, too high, or really high. So let's go back, and you can also set alerts for time, which says you'll receive an alert at each multiple of the time you set below during your workout. Firstly, you would need to turn on this function because by default it's disabled, and set the time that you want to get alerts and click Set. If we go a little bit lower, we can see that this is the all preferences that you can set up. And that's it. Now you know how to add a custom workout to your Apple Watch Series 9. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.